Today I want to show you how to make a copy of your work. We usually want to make a copy of our work when we're going to do something almost exactly the same, but we're going to change it a little bit. So for example, when I made this document, I first made it for computers and Chromebooks, and then I just made a copy of it and made new links for people who are working on a tablet or a phone. So that can save you time. You don't have to retype everything because it's pretty much already there. So to do that in Google Docs and Google Slides and Google Sheets and Google Drawing and most of the Google apps is pretty easy, and it works the same in most of them. You go to File and then you just click Make a Copy. And when you make a copy, you want to change it to a new name. So when I made a copy of this one, I changed it to say iPhones or tablets. So you're going to change it a little bit to a new name so that you can tell the difference between the two when you want to go find them, and then you'll just click OK. It's the same thing in Google Slides. You just go to File and you make a copy. You can, in Google Slides, it's a little bit nice because you can either choose to do the whole entire presentation, but maybe you only want to copy a few slides. And if you choose that, it will ask you which slides you want to, of course you'll do a name, and then it'll ask you which slides that you want to do, whichever ones you've selected. And the only one that's really different is in Google Forms. And in that one, you click these three little buttons over here. There's not like a file button, but you still just make a copy. It works the same